got a hat rack here inside the door, but no coat rack, so today we're going to do a little one-day build and solve that problem. Alright, so I got a scrap piece of 1x3 here. I got some stain with some gloves and a rag to stain it in the end. Bought some hooks at the hardware store. Pencil, level, tape measure, and then for safety you got your gloves and glasses, eye protection, because you will be working with power tools. You'll just need a drill and a sander. First thing we're going to do here, use the 40 grit on the sander and try to rip these edges down and give it a smooth angled edge. Once you've got it sanded down to the shape that you want and you've used that 220 grit to smooth everything out and make it look real nice, the next step, just take a damp paper towel, wipe it off and get any remaining dust. You can also use a tack cloth for this, but it's just as easy and much cheaper to use the paper towel. And then take a dry paper towel, make sure it's nice and dry, and then you're ready to go stain. When applying your stain, always make sure to go with the grain. Never go across it. Depending on the color you're going for, you might want a coat or two, but again, just wipe it on with the grain, let it dry, see how it looks, and keep going until you get the color you want. Once everything's dry, next step is to mark out and attach your hooks. I got 4 hooks I'm putting on here. It's about 22.5 inches. Just going to take my time and measure them out evenly. With all your hooks attached, the last step is to just drill some mounting holes through. You're going to use a drill bit that's a little bit wider than the head of your screw. And you'll drill very, very shallow, just about 1/8 of an inch, and then you'll finish up with a bit the size of your screw. Now we got some hooks and some nice flush recessed mounting screws, and this thing is all ready to go up on the wall. That has been your one-day custom build easy coat rack.